Hello everyone! Gagawa ako guys ng butter cookies. With 3 ingredients lang guys, butter, icing sugar, and all-purpose flour. Ngayon guys, mag-ano tayo ng 1 cup of butter. Salted butter guys ang gamit ko. Bali, half cup guys yung gamit ko na pinagtakalan ng ating butter. Bali, 2 cups to guys. Half, bali 1 cup guys. Then, unahin muna natin guys ang ating butter. Next na natin guys, ihalo ang ating half cup of icing sugar. Ngayon guys, mayroon tayong 2 cups of all-purpose flour. At gradually lang natin siya guys ihahalo. Haluin lang natin ang haluin guys hanggang mag-incorporate yung ating mga ingredients. Yung flour at saka yung icing at saka yung butter. Nilipat ko na pala to guys sa piping bag. Hindi ko na naipakita. At imomold na natin guys gamit ang ating piping bag. Ito na lahat guys ang ating nagawa. Ready to bake. Preheated na guys ang ating oven ng 350. At ibibake lang natin to guys na mga 20 minutes. After 20 minutes guys, alisin na natin sa ating oven. This is it guys ang ating butter cookies. Thank you for watching guys.